We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in returns for this, smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. It gained strength after jumping up, pulling back down, sitting sideways, and it's been pushing upwards for the last several days. And we're going to break it all down in today's video and why DWAC has even more potential than just what we've seen so far. And we're going to break it down in today's video, explain everything, put the data together, and explain what the charts are showing. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And we're going to jump right into it here with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I was watching this morning, TSRI, SBEV, and both of them turned out to be a home run, guys. Here we caught SBEV in the pre-market, and you could see that strength going into 42 vision, the bull indicator, and in a matter of just minutes in the pre-market, it went up nearly 10 to 20%. Got that bear indicator, pulled downwards, reversed back with strength, another bull indicator, and hit a highest point of 20% plus, guys. All collectively reaching between 30 to 40% in a matter of just minutes. Now, TSRI, we caught this one as it was pulling downwards, hit a low here of about 1163, started to reverse with strength, got that bull indicator, and took off to a highest point of 25% plus. If you guys want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. So here we are with DWAC, DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. And we're going to talk about why it jumped from the 6th going into the 7th, pulled back down, yet it's pushing back up again, guys. So a lot of money came in, inflowing on the 6th going into the 7th, hit highs here about 64. And right now, those that held through it, it's kind of breaking even. Anybody that got in around this area and anybody that held through it from here to up here is making about the same gains in this whole entire volatility and process. Now, the reason why it went up here, we're going to look at an article together, and the reason why it went down so fast, I'm going to share my honest, humble opinion. This is just my opinion alone, and we're going to look at why it's going up here and why it could go even further. So DWAC is in a very, very interesting position, and it's definitely a stock you want to keep on your radar moving forward. Now, DWAC, we're pulling up here Ultimate 42 Vision. We're going to look at it with Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators, and by joining, you'll receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to remove the guessing and focus in on what matters, to maximize on opportunities and minimize the risk and also the losses, guys. That's the main goal. Make the losses smaller, make the wins bigger with clarity in the charts. Now, here we are with DWAC. Got that bull indicator on the 6th, went all the way up to 64. Got a bear indicator, lasted all the way until yesterday, and it's been under a bull indicator on the 30-minute since $53 all the way to 66. You do the math there. That is nearly almost a 20 to 30% plus move, guys. You would have known about this bull indicator and strength yesterday clearly and had the confidence to see it throughout 42 vision and that bull indicator. Now back to why it went up here and why it's going up right now and why it could possibly go up even higher. It has to do with the fact that the Trump SPAC Digital World Acquisition Corp stock rises. This was the headings on the 7th about everything that happened on the 6th. Now, it's the fact that the Donald Trump stock rose because Thursday afternoon, they went ahead shared this news that the application has set an objective day. Okay, that's the goal of releasing, to kick off on February 21st. From that day moving forward, there's going to be volatility and possible strength going into that day, because if you've watched my videos in the past before, calculating the whole entire valuation of DWAC and how it's going to be rewarded is based off the value of the stock going into the SPAC merger and even after it. Okay, that is part of how its valuation may be formed and how much it's going to get in this SPAC merger transaction. I've broken it down plenty of times in my videos. If you've watched the videos before, you would know. And if you're here for the first time, I will be making a video breaking that all down in the near future. So you definitely want to subscribe and stick around for everything that there is with DWAC moving forward. So everything happened on the 6th, the 1 year anniversary of what had happened, right? Everybody knows exactly what had happened and what happened that day and how it relates to obviously Trump and getting removed from other social media platforms. And his goal is to release this so he can have his own, right? And people that want to follow him can follow him. Anyone that wants to speak on there can speak on there, right? That's the goal. That's his plan. Now, it's a very interesting time where Square is now Jack Dorsey's focus and not Twitter, right? There's a very interesting time where Facebook is no longer obviously Mark Zuckerberg's focus, or Instagram. If not, it's the metaverse. And it's opening a path for DWAC to be one of the top used or biggest in the space of social media, because those other influencers or those other individuals and billionaires and investors and CEOs are deciding to focus on other sectors other than social media. So I think that opens the doors for Truth Social more than ever, like in an indirect way. I look forward to seeing your thoughts on what I'm saying and my thoughts on what I'm sharing, but it seems very interesting that they're moving away from social media platforms, and then all of a sudden Trump is coming with his platform that can possibly take the spotlight, or at least take some of it, right? A piece of the pie. So DWAC, like I said, it's been under a bull indicator here. Let's pull up the 4-hour so we can see it here. And the 4-hour has been under a bull indicator back here on the 6th and here again as well. And it got that bear indicator from 54 all the way down to 51, about $3. That was a very short-lived bear indicator and quickly reversed. Now, it needs to break through 66.19 to reach newer highs. And when you look at it here, about 66.23, that is a very important resistance level that needs to be turned into a support so that the bulls can continue to dominate. Now, if this does pull back, the first support level I'll be watching is $60, and then down here at 55, and see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are trying to tear this one down fairly fast. But from now, okay, the 6th, this pullback and all the way through this volatility here the last several days, there's going to be possible even further strength, even based off the history of how this stock has moved from way down here at $39 up to $67, from way down here at $11 all the way to $170, comes back down to $80, $60, goes all the way back up to $120. That type of volatility is possible because of the fact that when you zoom out and you look at this, this has been in an upward direction since those lows. And now that there's an affirmative date based off this article and everything that it says to kick off on February 21st, there could be some speculation and hype going into that date. So even though there's a lot of volatility, it could bring more strength over time, especially when the volume, like today, is higher than the average 10-day volume, as you could see it. It's 4 million average 10-day volume, and today's volume was 3 times that at 15 million. So the higher the volume and inflows, the more strength and possibility. Going towards the February 21st date, I think there's going to be a lot more eyes and focus on DWAC. I look forward once again to your thoughts down below. Anything else you want to share and piggyback off of what I stated, you're more than welcome to. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos, and as you could see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description, and by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.